Hey, what's going on? It's Jacob. I wanted to film a video this evening. I'm just wrapping up for the night. It's closing in on 1 o'clock, so actually, it's a good morning to everybody watching this. I wanted to film this video and just talk about a topic. I obviously promote affiliate marketing as a business model, as an online business model, a lot on this channel. But I wanted to film a quick video tonight as I wrap up here about maybe why you shouldn't go into affiliate marketing, maybe why affiliate marketing isn't the right business model for you. Before I dive into that, if this is your first time here on the channel, I would invite you to subscribe. Just click that big red button below. It's 100% free. And I drop videos all the time about building your online business, a lot of stuff about affiliate marketing, making money online, and being able to travel and do all that kind of stuff. So if that's the type of content that interests you, subscribe and click the little bell icon and you'll get notified whenever I drop a new video. But tonight, I just wanted to talk about maybe why you shouldn't go into affiliate marketing. The biggest thing with affiliate marketing, as opposed to other online business models, is that you're giving up control. You're giving up a portion of your control in exchange for the fact that you don't have to handle product creation, product fulfillment, customer support, merchant accounts, and payment processing. All of those things take up a lot of time, a lot of resources, a lot of money. When you're first getting started, they take up a lot of money, probably more than most people actually realize. And if you are trying to get started in an online business, the benefit of affiliate marketing is that you don't have to handle all of that stuff. You get given a sales page, which if you're working with good companies will have been tested, stress tested to ensure that it actually converts, to ensure that if you send the right traffic to it and they're in the right state of mind and you've warmed them up in the way that you're meant to as an affiliate marketer, that it will actually convert and that you will actually make money. So that's the ultimate trade-off. You're losing control of the transaction because you're pushing them over to another company, to another person to handle the sale, to handle the fulfillment, and then in exchange, you receive a commission. Now, depending on what type of affiliate marketing you do, that's going to dictate how well compensated you are, how much you get paid. If you do physical product affiliate marketing, you could be getting 4 to 12% with something like an Amazon Associates program. But if you do what I do and what I recommend people do if they want to get into affiliate marketing is digital product affiliate marketing. And then you start getting paid, minimum 20, but more like 30, 40, 50, 60% on each transaction. And that's simply because if you're dealing with courses or you're dealing with software, it doesn't cost the product owner anything to create another unit of it for that sale. So someone comes along, they buy through your link and they need to, give them a license for the software or they need to give them access to a course. It doesn't actually cost the product owner anything to do that because it's 100% digital. And what that means is that they can pay you those higher percentages of 40 to 60% is what I generally look for. And that's obviously a massive benefit of doing digital affiliate marketing over physical product affiliate marketing. And we give up our control, but we receive a very good percentage back for not having to worry about all of those things that I listed off at the start. It also gives you room to focus on everything before the sales page. So you really just have to focus on driving traffic. But if you're the type of person coming into an online business, you're trying to start an online business, or maybe you're considering affiliate marketing as another online business, another income stream, you're moving from e-commerce, you're moving from social media management, whatever it may be. If you're considering affiliate marketing as a business model for you, then you may not want to do it if you're somebody that struggles to give up control. Because when you give up control, it can make things more uncertain as well. And especially when you're giving up control at the point of the purchase. So you're giving up control when someone's about to enter their credit card. And what that ultimately means is that you're giving up control at the point where you're basically handing over all the power to the person that you work with, the company that you work with, the company that pays you the affiliate commissions. They really have all of the power if something changes. I mean, you can try and follow a legal dispute if you believe that you've been wronged, but generally it's going to be not worth the time and effort. So you generally just have to accept if something changes. So for example, I was working for a while with a company in Malaysia. In a month, I went from no commissions with them to their top affiliate using an AdWords strategy. And before they went to pay me my first commission, they said, oh, we don't like how you're driving traffic. We're changing our terms and we're not paying you. I'd spent a fair amount on ads and I was due $4, $5, or maybe $6, it was a little while ago, maybe $6,000 in commissions, and I just didn't get paid. And look, I could have tried to dispute that and said, your terms and conditions didn't say anything about this at the time. Going forward, obviously I would have complied, but at the time that I did it, their terms and conditions were silent on it. So I was owed that money. But what are you going to do? There's, you're fighting a big corporation. I'm just one person. And really, they have all the power. They hold the money. And unless you're talking about hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars, it's probably not worth the fight. So the core message here is, if you're somebody that wants to start an online business or add affiliate marketing as another online business model, the key thing for you to consider is, are you willing to give up that control at the point where people are making a purchase? What's that worth to you? Is that worth to you the fact that you don't have to handle all of those things that I mentioned before? Are you happy to give up that control in exchange for being able to focus on just driving traffic to a sales page? That is a huge benefit, but you've got to make that decision around control. That's ultimately the thing that you need to decide if you're happy to give up. I recommend affiliate marketing for beginners time and time again, especially digital product affiliate marketing like I spoke about before, because the commissions are so high. And when you're first getting started, making all of those things that I mentioned before work together is really, really tough. Handling product creation, handling product fulfillment, handling customer support, dealing with payment processes and merchant accounts and all that stuff. If you're coming into this fresh, that is very hard to get that all to work together. And even if you get that all to click, you've then got to have actually the sales skills to build a brand and a message that actually converts. And that's harder than everything else combined in a crowded marketplace where you're competing against companies with massive budgets. So if you're coming in cold and you're looking for an online business, this is why I recommend affiliate marketing over and over again. But if you're somebody that's coming in with a little bit of experience and you like having 100% control, affiliate marketing may not be for you. That's ultimate decision that you need to make. Obviously, I talk a lot about affiliate marketing on this channel. I'm a huge proponent of it, but there's going to be people watching who it's not right for, and that is why I wanted to film this video. So hopefully that's helpful. Hopefully if you fit into that camp, then that's given you some more clarity around if you should go down the path of affiliate marketing or maybe you should go and do something else. That's all I've got for in this video. Like I said off the top, I would love it if you would subscribe, click that big red button, click the little bell icon so you get notified whenever I drop a video. If you found this helpful, be sure to smash the like button, give me that big thumbs up. Really helps with the YouTube algorithm, and it helps me to know if this content is actually helpful. Drop a comment as well. Let me know what you thought about this. Let me know if you agree, disagree, whatever. I'd love to have a chat with you in the comments. I reply to everybody that comments on my videos. So hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.